Tilly Norwood, an AI actor that pops up every now and again in various marketing stunts, is starring in her own movie, Hey GadInsiders, Welcome to Your Tech Hub. The movie's called Misaligned and is being made by Particle6 Productions, the same company behind the uncanny valley-adjacent Norwood. It's being described as a coming-of-age story infused with existential AI chaos. It's set in the Tillyverse and involves Norwood trying to become more human as she encounters a seductive rogue bot from the dark web. CEO Elaine van der Velden says the film will absolutely be funny, chaotic, and self-aware, very Tilly. This would be the first full-length feature film from Particle6, which has specialized in short-form AI marketing videos that are fairly heavy on the slop. Everyone knows there's a wide gap between a 15-second AI-generated perfume ad on Instagram and a feature-length movie. The company does offer a service to film studios that leverages AI for landscape generation and VFX, but it's not clear how successful it's been. But they recently made this Tilly Norwood music video that feels like you're trapped inside of a nightmare. So there's that. The company hasn't announced any human collaborators from the film industry, but has suggested it'll be a hybrid production that pairs traditional filmmakers with AI specialists. We don't know if there's a script or anything like that. It's highly doubted that this will ever get made, and it's not about railing against AI, but Tilly Norwood. The AI-generated character has always seemed more like a rage bait machine than a serious attempt to bring this technology to the film industry, as it stored up fear across Hollywood when it was first introduced via a publicity stunt at the Zurich Film Festival. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.